In the last clip, I suggested that it might be nice if the user were able to click one of those tiles and then they were directed to a record detail page. Well, in this clip, I will be showing you how to do just that by using the NavigationMixin. And now, what is the NavigationMixin, you might be thinking? Well, it allows users of your component to initiate some action and then be directed to a page type such as a record page or even just a specific page name. So back in the HTML code, let's go to the product tile component here. And the first thing we're going to do is go to the JavaScript. And the first thing I'll need to do is to add some additional import statements up here. And the first one will import the NavigationMixin method, and the second one will get metadata information about the product2s object. Now, to apply the NavigationMixin to my components base class, I'll need to add a reference here to NavigationMixin, and then surround this of the lightning element to apply that to the base class. I will also need to add right below here a handler, and this handler will be fired when a user clicks one of those tiles. And what it does is to call the navigate method and pass to it attributes that indicate that the user should be directed to a standard record page, and what is passed to that method is the product ID, along with the product2 object info, and the action that indicates that the user should see a view of the record detail. Now that I've added the handle click handler, I need to switch over to the HTML for this component, and I'll have to insert some markup here that uses an anchor tag. And of course I'll need to end that anchor tag down here, and it wraps that tile inside of that anchor tag and assigns that handle click handler. And believe it or not, this is all the code that I need so the user can click on that tile and be directed to the record detail page. Okay, so I will now save all my changes. I'm sure you're used to this. And then of course, I will push it all to my default Scratch org. Okay, so I'm going to go back here and I'm going to do a refresh of this page. So I'll see all those changes applied. And this time, notice that when I hover over it, something appears, and I'll just click, and then, oh, here I go. I've been directed directly to that product detail page for that kayak, and it shows me the product description, product family, and product code, which is additional information that the user may be interested in. And this is great because the user will be able to access all the information they need. The only bad thing here is that in order for the user to do another search, they would either have to click the back button or go back here to that tab and click Display Products to go back to it. And don't you think it would be better if the user were able to see all of the detail information on the same page as the search is? Well, yeah, it would be. And that's exactly what I will be stepping you through in the last module.